Jet Center is just about to open, and it's our chance to reveal this one-of-one Gulf Livery Roush Stage 3 Mustang. It's the first time I've seen the car, but I've never seen it in the Gulf Livery with the graphics on it or any of the little custom touches, so really looking forward to it. Wow, that is amazing looking. That is crazy. So, you know, just a couple of little things about the car. I'm sorry, I'm a little out of breath here. It looks so good. You know, Speedcore did this paint job. They just did an amazing job of putting it in that Gulf livery. They just do super work. I mean, they had the whole interior out, the engine, the transmission, every wiring harness out of it to make sure that it was absolutely perfect. You know, and they started out with a really good car. So they started out with a Roush Stage 3 Mustang, super fast, over 700 horsepower, 6-speed, real 3-pedal car. So it'll be just a fantastic thing to drive as well. Speedcore also custom put in a 6-point roll cage in the car, so the back seat is still available, but it's a full roll cage, door bars, and we'll show you those in a minute. And then these wheels are from Wheel Ventiques, and it's Wheel Ventiques' homage to the original Ford racing wheels. So it gives that look of the original Ford, but with really have from a modern perspective. And so those will be new products that are coming out from Wheel Ventiques. We're really excited about it. But let's go inside the car. I can't wait to see it. So.
I heard you were going to drift in it.
Yeah, you know what? So it's got a Sicky drift brake in it, so I can't wait to be able to yank on that. And the team at Roush did a fantastic job and painted me a helmet for this, because that's what the car is going to be for. The car is going to be to take on track days, for me to drive every day back and forth to work, and that's really the neat thing about this Roush Stage 3 is it could be, depending on what setting you put it in, it could be as docile as an everyday driver, but man, when you put it in that Stage 3 setting and that 710 horsepower comes alive, it's an amazing track day car. So very few companies can engineer a car so completely and so done well to be able to do both of those things and do them really well. So super excited about that.
Have you ever sat in it?
Yes, you know what? I sat in it, but I haven't had to climb into it with the roll cage in it. So you want to embarrass me and let me try to get in this thing with the roll cage in it? Oh yeah. That drift brake is in the perfect location. Love having a real 3-pedal car. It's just a great drive feel, and you know what? The door bar really doesn't get in the way that much, so I think I'm going to enjoy driving it. Of course, the door bar is removable. Speedcore made sure of that, so if I'm just driving it back and forth to work, I can take it out. But you know what? It looks so cool. I mean, I think I'm going to have to leave it in here all the time. So as long as my wife can get in the passenger seat, I think we'll be all good. Anything else, guys? We're good? Thanks.